Come test drive the 2020 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, technology group. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.